Hi everyone, I'm Lexi, an in-house esthetician here at Renée Rouleau. Since the holidays are almost here and many of us are getting ready to travel, let's talk about a travel skincare routine. When traveling, your goal should be to keep your skin healthy and comfortable. Avoid trying any new skincare products because the last thing you need is to have a bad reaction or for your skin to be thrown out of whack. Instead, let's stick to the basics. Start with a cleanser, a daytime moisturizer with SPF, a nighttime moisturizer, and if you have a little extra room, bring an exfoliator that works for your skin type for that extra glow. You can decant these products into small reusable skincare jars, or you can put them in your favorite leak-proof travel containers. When it comes to traveling with liquid products like toner, here's a trick. Soak a toning cloth or a pad with the product and seal it in a snack-sized plastic bag. It's easily packable and it prevents spills. One more tip would be to avoid using skincare products like face mist or sheet mask during a flight. Airplane air is super dry. Make sure you save your skincare for before and after the flight. There you have it. Happy holidays and safe travels.